Hello everybody and welcome back to the Virtual Simmer YouTube channel. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. And we are on Westby, Wisconsin Forex for episode number 21. Episode number 21, nuts. So in last episode, we wrapped up liming all of our fields and our new additions to fields. So we got that all limed and ready to go. And we also planted our corn. So all corn is done. Now I just got these 3 fields to put into soybeans. So that is the plan for right now. That will be the start of this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Why waste any time? So I also did not get any more seed from last episode, but I don't really need any yet. So once we run out, obviously we'll have to get more, but for now we are ready to rock and ready to get some stuff done. If my tractor would start. I don't know why that just happened. That was kind of weird, actually. So, get these lines up. And this is the first time I will be going on this field, besides with the plow and the limer, I guess. But yeah, it's the first time I'm gonna be working this. Well, like I just said, I drove the plow over it. English is hard sometimes, so just give me a break. I guess I'm struggling today. I guess. Not like I don't struggle every day speaking English, but today especially, apparently. So yeah, I have worked this field, and it took a lot of smoothing. Because this used to be, I'm driving right in the creek right now. That used to be here, because that ties into that creek right there. So, yeah. See how bumpy it is. Hopefully we don't miss any spots, and if we do, we will be obviously coming back to go over it, and hopefully I will smooth it out and make it better for next time, so there's no issues. But yeah, that is the plan. Unfortunately, we have all this lime, and it's going to be caked in lime till we get to the old field, obviously. Then it'll clear off, but until then, we're going to just have to deal with it. I really dislike the look of it, but whatever. It is what it is. It's what I get for deciding to do this after I do tillage already in the first place, so. Normally I like to do it right after harvest, before tillage, so then I can work it in, which is realistic. But doing it after and then planting into it, I don't think it really is, but oh well. It is what it is. It's farm sims. You can only do so much. And I wanted to get my pH perfect with the rest of the field, so might as well do it. Okay, 50 passes, that is resetting that. So here's pass 0, nice. Sweet, so this field's going good so far. Now here, look at this monster hill. This is gonna be a good time. We'll see how much this thing slows down. I have a feeling it's not gonna be too much, to be honest. I'm gonna guess it's gonna drop. I'm gonna have to drop a gear. But now I might as well. Gotta stay and wait before I can start the time lapse, because I gotta watch this with you guys. We gotta experience this together. And also, as you see, I'm running just 2x time. I just want to make sure, not that I think it's gonna rain in the forecast, but I'll be honest, I haven't looked. I just want to make sure I get everything done, because I also have to spray that oat field by the end of the month, which I do have 4 days, so I'm only in the first day of April, so it's gonna be easily done, but I just like to err on the side of caution. Don't want to be ruining things. Okay, I gotta drop 2 gears for this. This really isn't that bad, though. For how big this hill? Okay, 3 gears. Alright, 3 gears. We got to... Oh, 3, 4. I think we've done it. The 7810 would have never would have made that hill with this planter. No chance. Because like we discussed in the last video, this thing is almost double the horsepower of the 7810. This is 330, the 7810 is like 175, if I remember correctly. So yeah, that had no chance there. So yeah, cool. We made it up the hill. Huge. That is the biggest hill that I have on the map so far that in my land, at least to my knowledge. Besides maybe over in field, what is that? 38, 39. But other than that, I don't think it's close. So yeah, I'm going to jump to a time lapse and I will see you guys when we are done with this field. Alright, we have done it. First time planting this field since I made it larger, which of course, because I literally just did it, in March, so it's only April. I've literally passed by a month, so of course it's the first time I'm doing it. Weird. So yeah, went well. I kind of up here coming into some passes, I had to gear down a good amount, but other than that, it's pretty solid. The nitrogen stays 0 because soybeans don't need nitrogen, which is a plus. Okay. Whoa. I emptied them all out, but have perfect amount of seeds. Not bad. Not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna have to... yeah, I'm gonna have to fold up. That'd be real tight through there. I don't need to be hitting trees, breaking my planter. Because that's how farm sim works, right? Yeah, we'll just go with it, right? Alright. So yeah, I think I'm gonna for sure just do this field off of I'm not gonna record planting this field. And this field I probably won't either, to be honest, so yeah, probably not. Probably not. We got our one time lapse of planting soybeans, so we'll call that good. But yeah, for now I'm gonna start pitter-pattering this, then I'll jump to our new field and do that one afterwards. So yeah, that is the plan, and we will see if things change. Kind of doubt it, but we will see. You never know. This is farming for, uh, yeah, this is farming, so could change. Everything could change like that. Could change like that. So yeah, I'm gonna plant this, and I will see you after I have done it. All right, we are done with planting now. So let's take a look at the map here. We got all our corn in over here in last episode. And now this episode we got all our beans planted. Yeah, soybeans planted. Sweet. Well, next is to fast forward some time a little bit. I'm gonna fast forward a few days before I get into this oat field and spray. But yeah, so kick up the time a little bit. Just throw it at 60, or just throw it at 120. And I bought too many seeds as per usual, so be down the loan here. Yeah. So yeah, that's a normal deal. I think I have, what, 2 pallets worth left? Something like that, that I overbought. Oh well. Not like we're not going to use them next year. Yeah, this planter gets the acres done with this rig. This rig gets them done. It's a 40-foot implement, and I'm going 9 miles an hour, so it's to be expected. It should go pretty fast. Except I think my anhydrous bar is even bigger than this thing. This thing is 12 meters, yep. And this is, okay, it's a little smaller. Okay, yeah, that's a 37-footer, my anhydrous bar, and this is a 40-footer, so sweet. This is my biggest implement for the, besides my sprayer, obviously. That's to be expected. So yeah, sweet. And I do have a plan for once we get into May, so that will be soon here. I'm gonna skip over to about, I think I'll just go to April 4th, and then we'll get the sprayer out. I'll go spray those oats, and then we will, again, skip time into May, and then we'll spray our own fields. And then after that, I gotta, maybe not a surprise, we've been talking about it a good little bit recently, so, but we got something that is finally gonna happen on the farm. So yeah, look forward to that. So I'm gonna get this all put away, and I'm gonna keep feeding the cows while we fast forward some time, and I'll be back when we're ready to be spraying. Okay, we have made it to April 4th. Got the cows all fed up. Detach, there we go. Yeah, so now I gotta put skinnies on this thing. Let's repair it too while I'm at it. I just hit 20 hours on this tractor, so that's kinda cool. Another tractor over 20. I definitely already have them paid for. There they are. Boom. Might as well leave the forks on it, I guess. I don't know. Front weight can't hurt, can it? Probably can, but oh well. Alright, hook up to the sprayer here. And we'll go run out, spray some oats. Yeah. See how much herbicide we got too. I'm gonna guess. Not much, nope. But honestly, actually that field is full of weeds, so I probably will use most of this. My GPS line. Boom. I'm gonna run a 0 line though. So yeah, sweet. I am gonna be buying a. This thing doesn't hold more than a pallet though, does it? It does. Okay, never mind. I am gonna be buying a full pallet then. I was gonna be buying one anyways because I'm gonna need it, but I was thinking I'll wait. I was gonna wait to pick it up, but I know it'll hold it now, so I'm not gonna wait and go grab that first, and then we'll do that field. And we'll be ready for the season with all this herbicide, because after this field, it's not full of, it is full of weeds. This field, the rest will be just spots of them, so it won't use much. It's only full of weeds like this because Farm Sim planted it. So now, and then Farm Sim's putting the weeds on. It's not precision farming. So that's why it's full of weeds and not um, spot, spotted with weeds like it normally is with precision farming. Good grief. Alright. And I've just noticed 2 more months until we're gonna have another set of cows. Which also, and the bulls, I don't think they do anything besides eat my food, so I think I'm gonna get rid of them whenever I'm full, because this, I think this pen holds 80. I do want to double check that though, because I don't want to be screwing stuff up. It's called the free cows. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Quick, I'm gonna run into something. No, it's not. Small freestall. Freestall. Oh, there goes that sign. That is that. Okay, so it does hold 80, and I only have 20 in there now, so I'm gonna keep them for now. Just cause why not? Make it more realistic for them to go through more food. Good grief, this 19 miles an hour is pretty slow. I forgot about that. That's how slow this is. So yeah, for now I'll just keep them until we're almost full, then I'll sell the male ones. Because right now I'm just making them worth more money, I guess, by feeding them, so it is probably worth it. But yeah, and also I'm getting really low on straw, and my pile over there of straw bales isn't very big as well, so it's getting low, and I need it for feed still. So yeah, this is good that these oats are coming in to give me some straw. Alright, so picked up that pallet from the store there real quick. And now, I'm gonna spray this field quick. So, get going, run folded, and go. Yeah, it's gonna be constantly on. Slipping. Put my map away. So yeah, I'm going to time-lapse this field, and then I'm gonna skip over to May and time-lapse this other field of spraying. At least that's my plan for the moment. So, I will see you when we're done spraying these two fields. Alright, well, as you can see, I lied in the last clip there, but oh well. I had a brain fart because I forgot that this was all plowed. I don't know why I thought that I normally spray soybean acres. I don't know, I have no idea. But I normally spray corn acres because these aren't plowed from last year, from them not being corn, so I didn't have to plow them, so I don't. So yeah, so I did this field, which those power poles, this power pole got me for a loop, but then I didn't screw up the other ones. It's the only thing I dislike about that field. Power poles, obviously. They're just annoying. But is what it is. So yeah, so I jumped over here, whatever, skipped to May. Let's check out our cows here. This one's at 90%. One more month. Sweet. One more month till we get more baby calves, which will be awesome. A little bit closer to, well, actually, how close are these ones to, oh, they're 50% through puberty, so another 9 months until they're fully adults, and then they have to have a baby, and then they start making milk. Good grief, that is kind of a long process, actually. But, oh well. This is what it is. We're already making milk, so I can't complain too much. So yeah, I'm going to do this, spray this field off camera quick. It won't take more than 20 minutes. And then I will come back and we will see our additions to the farm. Alright, spraying is done for the year. Take a look at the map here. Boom. That's all dead. All those weeds are dead. I missed one little speck there somehow. Side hill. Oh well. Other than that, we's done. And that's not worth going out to find one little weed, I don't think. Nope. We're just calling her quits. Alright. Well, I had the right amount of herbicides, so that's a plus. Actually, why even do this? Shut this thing down. Let's take some loan. So I need, let's just do 180, sure. Sure. Nothing good in the sales. Boom, alright. Here we go. Construction. Here it is. So, my thought process was to do, was it this or this? I'm trying to remember. I think it was this. Yeah, it was this. So, I'm going to be able to unload, come in through the farm, and then I'll leave out this way. And the same with load. I'll be loading around here and then dropping here. So I want to make sure I got enough room behind it this way from the field. And also enough off of here. So I think I'm going to go, seems straight and lined up. So something like this, I'm thinking. Yeah. Actually, maybe this way a little further. Let's go right there. Boom. Okay, that looks really good. Now, next thing, I think I'm gonna hold. No, I might as well buy it now. Why not? So, where's this shed? Thought it was in here. Maybe. Maybe not. Was it here? There it is. Now, straw storage. So I think if I throw it here, I'll be able to loop the mixing wagon through here, top off with silage, and then jump to this. But this, once I empty it out, I'm going to move it up about here-ish. Probably. Yeah, something like that. So this, throw back here. Let's go like here. Okay, wait, let's make sure it's symmetrical here. Since I can't just snap it onto a grid. I think you can, I just don't know how. It's not in the toggle free mode. Whoa, what does that mean? Allows freedom of push. It's your responsibility to flatten. Oh, I don't want that. Toggle snapping. Oh, come on, man. Since when? Holy. This is my first day, I guess. Wow, that changes everything. Good grief. Alright, so we'll put it, this is probably a good spot. Actually, we'll go this way a little further. Money. Alright, now, let's go take a look. See what we got here after spending like $160,000. Now, actually, we'll check this as well. Now this is here, sweet. So you know what this means now. I'm gonna actually have it be worth to plant, to grow and cut my grass fields now, because I'm gonna make silage now. So, you know what that means. Next episode, we will be doing that. So let's see if this is gonna take. It does not. But once I use all this silage, I will, with feeding, I will only be, yeah, so I won't pull out of there with the silage. I'll just be selling that every year. I won't be using that to feed the cows, so. Cool. Now how about this? Can I put these in here? It has one. Now I need to, don't feel like turning on my, has one. 450. Nice, not bad. How do I look at it? Gotta turn these on. I hate having them on, but gotta do it. There we go. Square straw bale. Yep. Cool, and I can ask to pull one out. Nice. Alright. Turn those back off, because that's not needed. So, cool. I'll get all those loaded in there, and then we'll be placing... Oh, I gotta wash this thing. Then we'll also be placing our new bales that we got in there as well. Because I do need to give the cows some more straw. But I also gotta keep enough to feed them as well, so... We'll get a balance. We'll probably get them up to like 150,000 liters of straw, and then the rest is feed. Just see how it goes. Sweet! So now we have all three of the buildings, so we don't need to deal with bales anymore besides straw bales, so that is awesome. So I'm gonna have to keep a baler just for that, which is okay, so we already own one, so now we can decide if I want to go with a forage wagon, if I want to buy one of them eventually, or not. Hopefully, actually I might have to decide next video, because if that silage fermenter does not take bales, I'm gonna have to buy a, I'm gonna have to buy a, what am I trying to say? I'm gonna have to buy a forage wagon so I can use it as loose instead of as bales, so. I do have enough money to probably afford one yet. Let's just see what we got here. 63,000, and the one I want, I have 320 horsepower. I haven't looked at these. 320 horsepower. I know these run hard, so I could probably grab this one. Yeah, this would probably be the 100,000. I don't have enough money for it, so we're just gonna hope that it takes bales. And if it doesn't, we'll be figuring something else out. Maybe get a bale shredder or something to rent. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but once we get there. So yeah, got soybeans planted and weeds sprayed in this video, and next video we'll be mowing and likely harvesting these oats and picking up bales, because those will be done next month and ready for harvest. So yeah, hopefully everybody enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.